You're looking at an AI-generated video. The character, the environment, the ad, all AI. Welcome to TNL. The next level isn't coming. It's already here. TNL does it in minutes. They spent 8 hours. I spent 8 seconds. One prompt, infinite ads. AI built all of this. Every single one. The campaign is already done. The AI built it while we were talking. That's the advantage. AI doesn't replace creativity. It removes everything that was slowing it down. That's TNL. Let's go. Take that. Yeah, we did it.